Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Nissan's infotainment system? You're not alone. Widespread issues plague Nissan Connect and intelligent mobility interfaces in 2018-2025 models. Let's troubleshoot. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to reboot the system and clear temporary software glitches. If that fails, attempt a hard reset by accessing hidden menus or using an OBD2 tool to factory reset the system, noting this will erase user data. Check physical connections like HDMI cables and ensure your battery voltage is above 12 volts. Issues stem from software bugs, corrupted firmware, or hardware failure in display modules or processors. Remember, water exposure or outdated apps can also be root causes. This is the first step to diagnosing the issue. If a reset doesn't work, software updates are your next best bet. For 2022 Plus models, use over-the-air updates found in your car settings. For older models without OTA, download updates from Nissan's website via USB drive, ensuring compatibility with your specific model. Keep in mind that even with fixes like firmware patch 3.2.1, success varies. Some cases may require dealer diagnostics. If problems persist, especially in older models, consider aftermarket solutions like replacing the system with an Android-based unit from Pioneer or Alpine. Also, consider that environmental factors like extreme temperatures can exacerbate failures, prompting Nissan to explore ruggedized hardware.